Hi there, this is Christy Childs from workfromyourlaptop.net, and today I want to talk to you about buyers and 30 reasons why you can target buyers. First of all, I'm going to show you my affiliate income. So you know I know what I'm talking about. Okay, this is one marketplace where I promote products to buyers. As you can see, since 2014, I've made $93,749.02. If you do all time, I'm up to $95,220.54, and that's promoting other people's products to buyers. Okay, here's another marketplace called Warrior Plus. As you can see, there's my name. Since 2006, actually I didn't really start full-time till, let's say, 2013. So 45,000. So since 2013 to date, $44,837.18. So I only show you those not to brag. I'm very grateful. Oh, I'm so grateful. I worked so hard. I was a substitute teacher. Before that, I was a college professor. Before that, I was an elementary school teacher. And then again, in between those times, I taught school. I taught first grade, but it was in a really bad neighborhood. They told us not to stay after school because there was so much crime in the neighborhood and one of the teachers had been attacked. So I was really anxious to get out of the classroom and teach online, and that's what I love to do. I also love promoting other people's products, as you can see right here. And I also have an Etsy shop that I have grown pretty much, it says all time, but the last 90 days. In the last 90 days, which it doesn't give me that option, but let's just say last year, okay, I went from pretty much zero to $1,051.94 in gross revenue, okay, gross. So I've learned how to target buyers. All these marketplaces are buyers. And in my Etsy course, right here, I wanted to show you what is inside the Etsy course. And I put, why the Etsy marketplace? There are examples of shops making hundreds of sales per day, every single day, okay? And that's to inspire you when you just don't feel like working on your Etsy shop today. Also, I have in here a master class that I did, and I charged for it, but I've included it here in the course. And then you can see I was able to rank. I've learned how to do keyword research inside of Etsy to rank my products, sometimes on the first page of Etsy, depending on the competition, within a day or less. I tell you how to do your About Me section. I tell you how to create sections. I tell you how to sign up for a print-on-demand company. I use Gearbubble. How to copy your listings so you can just duplicate your listings like super fast. How to create your photo with PicMonkey. How to sign up with Gearbubble's drop shipping program. How to promote your listing for a penny per listing, up to $1 per day, which Etsy never charges me that much. It's usually like 19 cents for all my listings. So I mean, it's super cool. And then I do frequently asked questions, and then I show you how to tidy up your shop images so they all look tidy and neat. You're also going to get a bonus PDF and some, I recommend, where I find my designs for sometimes as little as like 25 cents a piece in a bundle, and all kinds of good stuff. So I mean, if you've been thinking about setting up an Etsy shop, you know, I've just put in a 2-part payment plan to break up the payment for the class, because I know a lot of people were writing in saying they liked it but they couldn't afford it. So now there is a payment plan, and for right now, I'm going to offer a bonus of the affiliate marketing courses that show you, shows you how I do this, okay? And if you're interested in Etsy, which I think you are because you're on my channel to talk about Etsy, you're going to find out a lot of goodies here. I've got testimonials of people saying, you know, thank you, I've made my first 25 sales. I made my first sale. One guy that I did coaching with is actually surpassed 60 sales since October 2017. So, I mean, that is super, super cool. And I taught him how to do that with the same video instructions that you're going to see inside this course. So I would recommend getting this course. You know, it's called Etsy plus Print on Demand equals Magic. And if you go through the modules and really work it, the great thing about it is I'm providing personal coaching inside the course, and I normally charge like $97 for 30 minutes on a Skype call. So it's a great bargain. It really is, because you're going to get personal coaching. You're also going to get the pinning class. So let me go back to, also include this course. Let me show you all my courses that I'm including. So you get a bundle of courses. So let's see here. Right here. Okay, so view all courses. So here's the Etsy plus Print on Demand course right here. You're also going to get how to make more sales PDF. And right now I'm including this. I've taken it out, but for right now, if you're watching this video, you're going to get I made 6 figures with affiliate marketing. Okay, it's also going to include 55 companies that will pay out great affiliate payouts. Excuse me. You're also going to get this guide. And it also comes with pinning in a box where I show you how to share all your Etsy images and or affiliate links on Pinterest. Okay? And you'll also get this one, affiliate marketing. And you'll get this, guide print bubble. And this one. So it's quite the bargain, really. If you want private coaching, you'll see that on this side as well. But right now, you know, this is $397, but I'm breaking it up into payments, 2 payments of $198. Okay, so I just wanted to tell you that one of the best things you can do is to invest in yourself. I went to seminars in Atlanta, in Tampa, Florida, and one weekend cost me $5,000, and I paid it because I figured that I wanted this really badly. I wanted to work online. You know, like right now I'm in the mountains and it snowed and I've got a fire going. And I love being able to work from my laptop. And I like that freedom for you too. Whether you're a stay-at-home mom or you want to retire, or you're young, you know, you're young and you just know that people are being successful online, which, you know, I've shown you from my income, and this is not all my income, this is just some of my income, that I've been able to do this full time. And I had a really sick family member, and I was so grateful to be able to go to the doctor with them when I could just, a lot of times I took my laptop with me to the doctor's office and plugged in the waiting room. So it has afforded me a wonderful lifestyle of my dreams, really. And I can show you how to do it. And the secret is to target buyers. No matter if you're doing affiliate marketing or you're doing Etsy marketing or you're doing Pinterest marketing, it's all the same thing. You want to get what people are looking for and hungry for in front of them with your link. That's it. Because people love to buy. They don't like to be sold to, but they love to buy all day long. And that's what you're going to learn. You're going to learn how to get your Etsy shop up and running. You can get it up and running in one night if you get, if you really want to, it's super easy. The thing I love about Etsy, and the reason I went back to Etsy and started really working on my shop, is because my daughter-in-law she's in South Carolina. She wanted to work at home because we had our first grandbaby and now they're expecting number 2, and that she wanted to be able to work at home. And she was a teacher, and like me, and she really wanted to work on her laptop, and she had seen me working on mine, and she started on teacherspayteachers.com. And that's a site where teachers load up digital items like bulletin board cutouts, numbers and letters, and lesson plans. And she was making money, and she started seeing PayPal cha-ching with her Teacher Pay Teachers account. And that's when she knew that she was onto something. Between that and watching me online, she was watching and said, man, I wish I could do that. And what I did is different from what I was doing digital products, and she wanted to do an Etsy shop. So she started on a different site, and then she came into Etsy. She took a course. It wasn't my course. It was someone else's course. I didn't have a course at that time. But I've since shared my course with her. And she, because of her determination to stay at home with our grandbaby, she was able to quit her full-time teaching job last December, and now she works at home. And when she got up to about 10 sales a day on her Etsy shop with one item that she customized, she said, I quit. So she quit in the middle of the year, went home to stay with her baby, and I'm really happy for her. So, I mean, I'm doing it, and I'm a baby boomer. She's doing it, and she's in her 20s. So there's no age limit. It doesn't matter how old you are. It doesn't matter what your skill set is. Especially with Etsy, that's why I started teaching Etsy, because you don't have to know how to put up a website. You don't have to have an email list, and you don't have to know anything about internet marketing, okay? All you have to do is open your shop, list your product, do the keyword research that I'll show you, and then do it again and again and again. And when you find out what is selling and you watch the stats and track it, you'll soon know that you need more items similar to that, or you need to really market that one item that's really selling all over the internet. When you think about when I got online, and as a disclaimer, which is required by law, there is no guarantee of income. No one can guarantee income. If they do, it's not true. No one could guarantee me income, but I knew it was out there, because when you can leverage the worldwide internet, I mean, there's never been an opportunity like there is right now. And I knew that, and I wanted to get online, and I wanted to be able to teach online, which is what I do now with my Teachable courses, and I love it. But what I learned after a couple of years of a lot of failed projects is you don't have to have a website. You just have to have something that people are looking to buy. For example, if you have a weight loss product that you think is awesome, that no one's ever heard of, and no one's looking for to buy it, then you're probably going to be one of the few people who use it and buy it. You want to get into a niche that is not totally saturated. Okay, weight loss, never. It's just way too competitive. So what you want to do is you want to drill down. I heard this so many times, but now I get it. Is you want to drill down to somebody who has, say, a hobby like model airplanes, model trains. Put it on something that's funny on their t-shirt. And in my course, I tell you how to find what people are saying. And I tell you how to find what people think is funny. You need to know your customer. And when you find out where your customers hang out, it's golden. It really is. Because then you know they have their own little lingo, right? You know, I'm just amazed at when I do research and I find these little hidden gems of where people are talking about whatever their hobby is, and they have their own language. So you take that language and those phrases that they only understand and appreciate, and you put them on a coffee mug, or you put them on a t-shirt or a hoodie or a pillowcase. It's about to be Valentine's Day, and I found out that Valentine's Day is actually the second largest buying time online after Christmas. Christmas is past, and you can do anything that's evergreen. That's the thing about Valentine's Day. I wouldn't put Valentine's Day on any item. I would just put anything about love, his, her, you know. Couples things do really well on Etsy, like couples mugs, couples pillowcases, where it's like his and hers, king and queen, you know, she's mine, he's mine, you know, she's mine, he's mine kind of things. Just little simple things, but you want to niche it down to professions, because somebody that, you know, the things that I'm selling are they're niched down per profession. So if you go onto Google and just Google all the different professions in the US or around the world, it's amazing. You would never run out of ideas. Absolutely never run out of ideas. The other place I get ideas from is Pinterest. I'll go into Pinterest and I'll start poking around, and I'll get all kinds of good thoughts, okay? And like, oh, I need to try that. And then I go into PicMonkey, and you could just do a text-based mug, and it will cost you anything just to go into PicMonkey, download the words, and then go into GearBubble, upload your PNG, and boom, you have a coffee mug mock-up. Then you download the photo, upload. So you're downloading, uploading, downloading, uploading till you have that image on Etsy. And then the most important thing really is the keyword research that you do before you ever list a product. Okay, it can mean the difference between 0 sales and 60 sales, as I found out in the last 90 days. So I'd love to teach you all this. So just, you know, click on the link below and you can get a free PDF, little Etsy cheat sheet. So click on that link and go to the Teachable course, and there should be a pop-up and you can get a free guide, okay, and start there. And that's all I have for today. Please put your questions below this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. It helps me do more of them. And I will talk to you soon. Have a good day. Bye now.